Hey guys, AR back, and today we're going to look at table functions. And sorry for the lack of upload. I've been busy creating my game, Detective, going to release in July to August. So let's head straight to this. So firstly, you want to insert a script into server-script service, and now we're going to talk about tables. So I'm going to start off with making a local a variable saying local table equals, and what a table is, if you don't know, a table is it's basically it can hold many different types, many data. So it can hold data. So it can hold string, so high. It can hold numbers such as 50, and it can hold objects such as workspace. So what we're going to look at, and actually to the way to do more than no, not what am I saying? The way to have more than one item in your table is just to put a comma or a semicolon. So what we're going to look at is the functions of tables. So I'm just going to starting off creating some items in my table. So on hi and hello. So firstly, we're going to look at the three basic functions. So table.insert, table.remove, and table.getten, which I will later be telling you. So first, we're going to look at firstly table.remove. So table.remove, hence in the name, removing stuff from a table. So in this brackets, it has two parameters. So the table name. So it needs to be your variable name, and now you want to put a comma, and you want to put the number position. So number position is going to be, because as there's two items in this table, we can't say table comma 3. That won't, because there's only two items in this table. So if I said table comma 1, we're going to be removing this item. And next, we're going to drop a line, and I'm going to say print, and we're going to do another function, table.getten. And table.getten just gets all the values in a table, or all the objects, or all the objects in the table. So table.getten only has one parameter. I don't. It might actually have more. I mean, I'm just gonna go and check. So all you need to do is table.g. Yeah, table only has one parameter. And we forgot to put that bracket. And if we go and press play, we should see it should have B1, and it is. So those two are the basic basic table functions. Those three actually. So now we're going to look at more advanced. So next one we're going to look at is something called table.concat. And what table.concat does is it's basically, I'll go and show you. So it will print all the items in the table. So this also has two parameters: the table name, comma, and we want just speech marks and a space, just because, so we can space it out. Because if we just go and say table, it will say go hi hello with no spaces. So just to space it out, all we can say is and table and comma speech marks and a space. So if we go and press play on that, it will say hi hello. So that's table.concat, which can be useful for, say, maybe like an erase game, because you're going to say whoever came first, whoever came second, you could put them in a table and then concat them. So the next one we're going to look at is a table.find. And what table.find does is basically, we need to say print, because some functions won't basically will just do nothing if we don't say print. We'll also have to say table.find and table name. Oh no, what this will do, this won't, what this will do is it will, so after this, the second parameter of it will, if we go and say hi, it'll print out the position of hi in the table, in the table. So it will find the position of this hi. So if we go and press play, it will say 1. I'm not sure if you can actually, if we go to table.find, if we go and say 1, let's go and see that. That might say hi, nil. Okay. Oh yeah, cause anyway, 1 could even be a part of the table. Okay, so that's table.find. Our next and final one is going to be something called table, and you could scroll down. You've got a lot of these stuff, and I might not have, I've even forgot one actually. I might have, forgot one actually. So table.unpack. So what table.unpack does is it's basically like table.concat, but watch what will happen. So if I can say table name and comma table.unpack and comma 1. So if we do that, it's basically hopefully I think we didn't print it, do we? We need to print that because they're basically useless unless you put them in a variable or you put them for text, GUI text. So hi, hello. That's basically what we done with table.concat, but I'm going to add another thing, a value in the table, and we're going to call this how are you? But if we go and say, instead of 1, if we go and say 2, what will happen is it will say hello, how are you? It's not saying hi, and that's because it's going to be the second item in the table from down on. So, and the final one we're going to look at is another basic one, which is table.remove, and will be the final one. So table.remove, and it's basically table.insert, but now you don't know what you're going to insert. So I'm going to insert workspace in it, just an object, and now we can go and say print table. Print table.getten, and then table, and then we'll also print table.concat, or we can say table.unpack, which I'm going to say instead, and we can say table, comma 1. If we go and see that, it should go and table.remove. Why did I say that? Oops. Insert actually. Table.insert, and go and get rid of those brackets. And if we go and press play, it says 4, and it says I'll just go and scroll up. Hi, hello, how are you? Workspace. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll try and do another scripting tutorial video soon, and hope to see you for the next video. Be safe.